In this video, I'll show you how can you use Canva and edit your images. And they have some of the best features available within a single tool using which you will be able to play with your images. Let me show you very quickly what am I talking about. So currently I'm in Google homepage. If I just go to canva.com and then you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. If you don't have an ID yet, you can use your Google credentials to log in. So very quickly, let me show you what am I talking about and step by step some of the features which I am going to cover in this video. So I already opened one blank document here and I would like to bring one photo here. If I come here and then I bring this particular photo here, then you will be able to see this is the image. This image I earlier generated using ChatGPT. Now, if I just place it here, then this is the image I have. If I want to remove the background, one simple thing, click here, click on BG remover, and then your background will be removed. So this is as simple as that. And you can see it very clearly removed the background. What I'll do, so this is one thing. Second thing, press Ctrl Z so it will come back because I'll use this image to show you another option later. But before that, the next option is, think about you have one specific image. If I go to uploads and maybe if I type one of the logo I earlier created, so maybe this is the logo, right? So expand this logo. If you want to invert the color of this logo, wherever white is there, it will become black, and wherever black is there, it will become white. Because specifically for logos, you need this kind of feature, right? Whenever you have white background, you can use the black logo and vice versa. So if I click here, go to edit, then you will be able to see one option is there that is adjust. If you click here, one simple option is available, invert. Then it will change the color. Now you are not able to see anything here, right? So one thing we need to do, I will click on this background, I'll come to this color and I'll mark it black. So now you can see this is the logo and it completely inverted the color. So this is the way you will be able to invert any of the existing image only using couple of clicks. So this is our feature number 2. Let me show you the third one. Now third one is image upscaler. If you have an image which is not in a very good quality, specifically currently Google Nano Banana is creating a buzz in the market, right? But it generates image, but those quality of the images are not very high resolution. I used Nano Banana utilizing this particular prompt to generate this image now. If I click on download, then you will be able to see this is the image it generated. So this is the image. But if I zoom it, you can see the quality is not that great. You can see it's pixelated already. So what I'll do, I have just downloaded the image. I'll come back here. I'll go to downloads and from there, I'll just drag this image here. So this is the image, I brought it here. Now, if I go to edit, then I scroll down, you will be able to see image upscaler here. If you are not able to see that, then under apps, you can go to see all and there also you'll be able to find it. So if I click on it, then it will show you few of the options. It is showing that you can upscale it to 4x or 8x also. So if I click on 8x and then I click on upscale, then Canva will start working on it. Now, whenever you are clicking on 8x, it takes time and sometimes it also throws an error that it could not able to complete. But this is one way you will be able to upscale your images very, very quickly. Now you can see this is the before and after it's showing. So if I click on replace and then it will work and then it will replace. After that, I'll show you what was the actual image and what it did. So now it changed that image. So this is the upscaled version, right? So what I'll do, I'll just size it a bit and then I'll keep it here, right? And again from upload, I'll bring the original version. So let's see what are the differences, right? So if I change it a bit so that it will be in the equal size. So now this was the earlier image, right? And now if I come here, so this is the upscaled image. And now you can see those pixelated views are not available, which was available here. So this is the way you will be able to upscale any of the image using Canva, and that too that quickly. Now the next one, but wait for the last one in this video, then you will understand the capabilities it brought into the play. So next one is Magic Eraser. If I come here and add a new page and I bring another image, maybe this is the one, and then you can see in this image there are two parts, right? In one part this guy is here but he's holding another phone. Now if I come here in edit and I click on Magic Eraser and then I delete this part, I don't want this particular part, that I am deleting. And if I click on erase, then it will delete that particular part, but it will also fill the background accordingly so that no one will be able to understand something was here. Now currently just seeing that particular photo, are you able to make out now that there was something here? No, right? So this is that smooth. Now the fifth and the final and the best option is, if I close it and I come back to our original image, the first one we started. If I click here, go to edit, and then I click on Magic Grab, so then the magic will start. You can see it currently showing. If I can select this particular image, it already picked up that this is the selection. So you don't need to do separately. It automatically detects and then click on grab. And then the best thing will happen. You will be now able to move this guy from here. And you can see it filled that background also. And it's very, very useful. Think about you are creating a thumbnail and there you are able to put some text behind this particular face and it will give a very, very good effect. So these are the 5 things you will be able to use inside Canva and you will be able to play with different images. Let me know in the comments below which one will be useful for you, and if you want to know anything more about Canva, then accordingly I'll plan my upcoming videos. Earlier I recorded another video using Google AI Studio. How can you edit images, and that too using image generation models? Check out this video to know everything about it.